Hello and welcome to another episode Hooked on Life by 3. In this episode I'll show you how I do a bit of landscaping and set up a fish cleaning bench and sink.
With what the space we're starting with. So when I installed rainwater, I added a tap there, knowing that I was going to eventually put a fish cleaning station in this area. It's kind of tucked away a little bit, so this is what it's going to end up like. A bit of plastic down and some 20mm screedings, and that's what we're going to continue on out through here for our base. And we'll look to just cover this, just finishes it off nicely, and back through here. And then we'll work on the install of the fish cleaning bench. So we're going to start off with just laying some plastic down for weeds, a knife and some plastic from Bunnings, Stanley knife, and then we're going to spread out some 20mm screedings from a local landscaping shop. I'm just going to lay the plastic down and cut it to size. Nothing too fancy. And put some down just to stop it from moving around or blowing around as you go. Just makes it a bit easier. And there's the first part. As I said, nothing too fancy. Put some rocks down just to hold it in place. Keep most of the weeds away. Once you're happy with your plastic, start filling the rest with the rocks. If there's some tight access places that you can't get to, just use a bucket. Okay, now we've finished the base, the gravel floor. It's now time to set up our fish cleaning sink and bench. So this was purchased through IKEA. You could purchase a fish cleaning bench from anywhere, and I'm going to position it in next to my tap. Like so. So I'm going to move it across and mount that there. So she's hard up. Like so. So I'm going to mount it there, level it up a bit, and then I'm going to use the tap and plumb it into here. So we've got running water, like so, and I'll just show you what this is for. So that's where she's going to get set up. As I said, I just got to plumb it to the running water, rainwater, that tap that's next to it. And I just explained this post that I've just used a couple of hose clamps to mount it. That's just to keep water out. So that comes off. So the idea was, you're out on a nice day, it's really hot, you come back to clean your fish and it's outside here, out the way, and you're in the heat of the sun. So I purchased this umbrella, which I store away in my shed so it doesn't get damaged for the few times that you use it. I wanted it to be quick and easy. Just get it in the right position. And it just, you can see that, it just clips into place like so, and then you just unwind it. Make sure everything's out the way. Make sure everything's out the way. And you've got a nice little shaded area. You can adjust it, the sun's in different positions.
Thanks for watching Hooked on Life by 3. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment on my channel if you have any questions. Be sure to click on the link and follow my Instagram page. I'd love to hear about your DIY projects, or if you've done a similar project like this, maybe used a different fish bench or used another process. Please share it with me. I'd love to hear from you.